How to add travelers to your TripIt account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can add travelers to your TripIt account. How do you add travelers? The first step is to go to your TripIt application and launch it. Once you've launched it, select the trip you want to share. So after selecting the trip and you're brought to the trip details page, move to the top right corner and click on the share icon next to the three vertical dots. By clicking on that, you can see invite others to view trip, and then you can see options like select plans to share. So it depends on whom you would like, the option you would like to select. Do you want to invite others to view your trip, or do you want to select specific plans to share? To invite others to view your trip, click on invite others to view trip, and then you can allow this and enter in the email addresses of the people that you want them to view your trip, of the travelers that you'd like to add to your traffic account. So you can just go ahead to type out the email address of such people, and I'm just going to do that right away. All right, so just type it one after the other, and once you're done, the next step would be for you to customize your message. Okay, you can see it's an auto-generated message here. If you want to make use of it, you can do that. If not, you can edit it and add in the message that you want. Then you can now select the permissions of the recipient. Do you want them to view only, do you want them to edit only, or do you want them to edit as and is traveling? So since you're trying to add them as travelers, click on the last option, which is can edit and is traveling. So move to the top right corner, click on the send icon, and then just like that, the trip will be shared to them and they'll be added as travelers to your TripIt account. So that is it. Ensure try this out and have a good day.